Greetings, dear learners. I am faculty of mathematics at SRN International School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. In this video, I will be explaining you the topic of mathematics of grade 7. So the topic for today's video is integers. So let us begin with the topic. As you know that integers plays a very important role in our life. So, firstly we are going to see the properties of integers, which are very important to know the basic of integers. As you can see, these boys are talking about that we have 6 balls and 5 balls. So, if I ask you about the addition, what will be its addition? After adding 6 and 5, the resultant will be 11. So, after adding an integer with an integer, the resultant will be an integer only. Integers are closed under addition. It means the resultant will be an integer only. Now, next property is of subtraction 1. Now let's see, 5 minus 3 will give us 2, obviously. So as we can see that 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So integer minus with integer will give us integer only. So integers are also closed under subtraction. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer only. If a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Let us begin ahead with the topic. So, another property is of the commutative property. Commutative property is very easy. Let us take with an example. A 10 rupee note added with a 2 rupee coin will give us 12 rupees. Similarly, a 2 rupee coin and a 10 rupee note will give us the currency as 12. So, we can say that a plus b or b plus a will give us the same value. For example, you can see in the picture below 10 plus 2 is equals to 12 and 2 plus 10 is equals to 12. So you can see that after adding both the values simultaneously, after changing the value, we get the same integers. That is, addition is commutative for integers. Next is, for any two integers a and b, we can say that a plus b or is equals to b plus a will give the same values. Now let us see with the subtraction 1. 5 minus bracket of minus 3 will give us 5 plus 3 because of minus minus is always plus. So it will give the answer as 8. So next is minus 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 3 minus 5, which is equals to minus 8. So subtraction is not commutative for integers. This we have understood that addition is commutative for integers, but the subtraction is not commutative for integers. We can solve the examples by adding minus 3, minus 2 and minus 5. For that, we need to know that these are the numbers after adding we will get the commutative properties. So I hope that was all for today's video. Thank you for listening it. I hope you understood the topic very well. As you can see, minus 3 plus minus 2 has given us the value with minus 3 and 2. Thank you for listening it. Thank you. Thank you again.